Hi, I'm Dan Meehan, President and CEO of the Missouri Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The advent of a new administration in our nation's capital has raised the hopes of many big union bosses for the passage of their pro-labor legislative package. You may have heard about some of the initiatives they're trying to ram through Congress under the name of the Employee Free Choice Act. But anyone who has read this legislation can tell you that there's nothing free about it. In fact, those union bosses want to strip American workers of the right to the privacy of a secret ballot on issues concerning union representation. That initiative is called Card Check, and it is one of the most controversial and blatant attempts to coerce the workplace that big labor has ever attempted. Besides taking away a fundamental right that American workers have enjoyed for years, Card Check threatens to hamper job growth for this nation at the worst possible time. But Card Check is only one of a host of one-sided anti-business proposals contained on big unions' wish list. Their legislative package contains a number of draconian measures that would cripple this nation's business climate. For example, unions are demanding binding arbitration on a first contract between the union and the employer if no agreement has been reached within 120 days. A federal arbitrator will make binding decisions regarding employee pay, health care, vacation policy, and other personnel matters. They're asking for huge penalties on employers who violate the act by tripling back pay for the discharge of union supporters during organizing and creating fines of up to $20,000 for repetitive violations. There's no limit to either the size or scope of employers who may be the subject of unionization. Targets for unions could include manufacturers, retailers, healthcare, service companies, insurance, or any other employer. And the law could allow for subsector unions, meaning that a union could try and organize the secretarial pool or the engineering division of a company. Believe it or not, these laws passed the U.S. House last year and almost got through the Senate. While the Missouri Chamber has traditionally focused primarily on state-level government advocacy, the potential damaging impact that labor's legislation would cause is so profound that we are compelled to, for the first time ever, engage in the national fight against this legislation. The National Association of Manufacturers and the U.S. Chamber of Commerce will be leading the charge in Washington, D.C., but the Missouri Chamber will be concentrating on being the tip of the spear here in Missouri. Select members of Congress who are in favor of the Employee Free Choice Act could be subjected to multiple levels of activities, including TV and radio spots, billboards, print ads, and as many phone calls as we can generate to their offices. Soon we'll be asking you to contact your member of Congress about Card Check and other labor issues. Continuing personal communication with them is the best way to make it crystal clear what effect these big union initiatives will have on your business and Missouri's community of manufacturers. You can read more about labor's plans by visiting the website on the screen right now. While phone calls to your congressman won't cost you much, our TV and radio ads require a significant commitment of money. You've probably already seen ads paid for by big unions in favor of these measures. We plan to match that effort in 2009. Throughout the recently completed 2009 Missouri legislative session, we called on you to make invaluable contacts to legislators on issues of importance such as Card Check, economic development, and responsible stimulus spending. Your response to that request helped fuel an unprecedented communications effort that ultimately led to positive results that should position Missouri much better for the economic recovery we all know is coming. I understand that these are tough times for many of you, but can you imagine the jobs we will lose if we allow those big union bosses to win and turn Missouri back just a few short years ago when the U.S. Department of Labor had us leading the nation in job losses? We're not going to let that happen. You'll be hearing more about the Missouri Chamber's battle against Card Check and the other labor initiatives soon. There's a tough battle for us ahead, and I'm confident that we'll meet that challenge. As always, if you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you very much for watching.